Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the timing chain on a 4.0 Ford Explorer. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a torque wrench and specific timing chain tools. Begin by disconnecting the battery, then drain both the engine coolant and oil. Next, carefully remove any components that block access to the timing cover, preparing the engine for the next steps. With the engine prepped, carefully remove the timing cover, paying close attention to the gaskets to avoid damage. It's crucial to align the engine to top dead center before proceeding. Once aligned, you can then detach the old timing chain, along with its guides and tensioners. This step requires precision to ensure no components are lost or damaged during removal. Now it's time to install the new timing chain components. Carefully place the new chain, guides, and tensioners, ensuring they are correctly aligned according to manufacturer specifications. Apply new gaskets to the timing cover and reattach it securely, torquing bolts to the recommended settings. Finally, reconnect all the engine components you removed earlier, preparing for the final stages. For the final steps, refill the engine with fresh oil and coolant to their proper levels. Conduct a thorough final inspection, checking for any loose connections, hoses, or potential leaks. Once everything is secure, you can start the engine and listen for any unusual noises. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.